Blaze AI, and what is going on here? What? You know what? I'm leaving all of this in. Thank you for the discount. That was actually pretty cool. Blaze AI and Sintra AI both promise to streamline business workflows with AI assistance. They serve different use cases and audiences, though. Blaze AI is centered on AI-powered content creation and social media automation. Website's pretty cool. You can generate blog posts, social updates, and email newsletters with ease, then repurpose or schedule them across platforms from one dashboard. Sintra AI, meanwhile, provides AI assistants that support broader business tasks like customer support, marketing, and operations. Blaze is ideal if you're focused on content creation and scheduling across platforms with minimal effort, while Sintra suits users who want AI-powered automation for a variety of business workflows beyond content, though setup and context feeding are required. Blaze struggles with complex content transformations and may require repeated edits. Support complaints include sudden cancellations and lost package features. Sintra's bots can't share context across tasks, file saving is poor, and support response time has been slow in some cases. So, if your primary need is creating and scheduling social media content and fast, Blaze AI is the stronger pick through its sleek UI, brand voice customization, and multi-format support. But if you're managing routine business tasks like customer support, marketing, campaigns, and admin automation, Sintra offers broader utility with multiple specialized assistants. Both have strong Trustpilot scores and active Reddit commentary. Blaze leans towards content pros, while Sintra is more for holistic task automation. Your choice depends on whether you're content-focused or need multi-domain AI support.